In this video, I resample the slide on a Smith & Wesson M&P 9mm pistol. Recoil spring and guide rod. I put the blue end in the top. And this screw here I will give red Loctite. I press the spring down. And put the screw on. And I use my vise. And I use a 1/4" key. Take my hand under the guide rod and loose slowly up. And the recoil spring with guide rod is put back together again. And the striker has 5 parts. This one here go in and sit like this and get pressed up by the striker spring and lock the spring. First the little spring go on here. And this white one here go in here. And it has to sit like this. Put the striker spring on. Press it down. And this little white one go in here. And the striker spring is put together. Next I will put in the extractor. The extractor is held in by this little roll pin. First I knock in the roll pin a little. So I sit like this. And I'll take the spring. Put it in there. And the extractor, I just push it in here. So it sits like this. And I press it down here with the spring. At the same time I knock the pin. I press the spring in. And now the roll pin go in and hold the extractor in. I use a 1/16 roll pin punch. and the roll pin is knocked in, and I check the roll pin not coming out on the other side here, and I go in and check the extractor here has the spring intention. And I check the extractor can hold a empty holster, and it's look good. To put the rear side on, I have the slide in a vise, and I put the striker safety down. And the spring and the plate, the spring go on here. Like this. And it go down there. And I use this Apex helping tool to keep the spring down. Press the spring down. Now take the size. And I will start to push it on. And I will use a calipers to get the size exactly in the middle of the slide. Give it a knock more, a little knock. And now in this side is a 4.02, and in this side it says 4.00. So that is almost so exactly it can be. And I go in and check the striker safety has the spring intention. And the small Allen screw here, I will give that some red Loctite. And the striker go in here. And I press the striker safety in. And I go in and press the nylon in here so I can get the back cap in. I go in and check the striker will go back. And I put the striker safety so I can see the firing pin will come out. Everything's good. And the barrel go in. And the recoil spring with guide rod. And my Smith & Wesson M&P slide is reassembled again. Thank you for watching.
Give me back my boy.